Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Railway Engineering by Subbarao. Today our topic is Railway Curves Part 26. In Railway Curves Part 26, problems of crossover with Cant on curved tracks. This Part 26 video has been explained about problems of crossover with Cant on curved tracks, why problems faced while laying of crossover in curved portion. Crossover shall lay in same level either on straight tracks or curved tracks. This video has been explained for correction and edification of future generation upcoming young engineers. This is located at Sonnagar Patratu third lane project. One of the location, that is station yard. 3 tracks are made, 0 superelevation, and tracks has been leveled where crossovers are laid and imposed suitable speed restriction with approval of open line competent authority. And some other location initiated for laying of turnouts for crossover in existing curved tracks without making 0 superelevation. In one curved track, full turnout has been laid, but whereas in other curved track has been inserted up to sleeper number 65 only. Finally, this crossover has not been connected. Problems faced to connect the crossover. Number 1. Superelevation not made 0. So that is 0 cant has not been done on both curved tracks. Number 2. Level difference of tracks have up to 150 mm. Number 3. Less track center. Number 4. Both tracks have different superelevations, that is 75 mm and 125 mm. Next, solution to connect the crossover. Number 1. 0 superelevation should be made on both the curved tracks. Number 2. Level difference of tracks shall be made in the same level by lifting 150 mm of upline track during making 0 superelevation. Next, crossovers and curves. In case of crossover located in curves, the points and crossing in the inner curve takes off from the outside of the curve, and the points and crossing in the outer curve takes off from the inside of the curve. Then resultant radius for contrary flexure and similar flexure, by which different values of the superelevation are obtained for the 2 points and crossings. The superelevation computed for inner track have contrary flexure is less than that for the outer track having similar flexure. However, if we provide these different superelevations, twist will be there in the straight portion between the two crossings. Since the compound curvature of crossover track is already very sharp and the length is very small, this twist will be beyond permissible limits. Therefore, same superelevation shall be calculated for both the tracks. To avoid all these problems, avoid crossover on curved tracks. If unavoidable situation, there are two options. Number one, the complete crossover shall be laid in the same plane of inclination. Number two, the complete crossover should be laid without cant. The repercussions in both the cases should be edified further. Option 1, the complete crossover shall be in the same plane of inclination. In case of crossover in curve, the complete crossover shall be in the same plane of inclination, and the superelevation calculated for the inner track shall be provided for the complete crossover. Therefore, the speed restriction worked out for the inner track will be applicable for the outer track also. Further, to bring the both curved tracks in inclination plane, number 1, existing rail level to be recorded and take the reference rail as inner rail, that is rail number 1 of inner track. Number 2, add the calculated superelevation to inner rail, that is rail number 1 of inner track, for outer rail, rail number 2 of inner track. Number 3, then calculate inclination to the inner rail, rail number 3 of outer track. And number 4, finally add the superelevation to inner rail, rail number 3 of outer track, for the outer rail, rail 4 of outer track. Next, option number 2, both main line and turnout should be laid without cant, and suitable speed restriction should be imposed for both the tracks. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more technical and valuable videos. Thank you very much.